he wanted to offer something to Jagannath. He wanted to offer at least a coconut to Jagannath. But he had no money to go to Jagannath Puri. He was thinking, how can I offer coconut to Jagannath? If he is in Jagannath Puri, I am in a far off village, how can I give? You know what he did? He went to his neighbor who was a Brahman and he was going to Jagannath Puri. He gave the coconut to the Brahman and he told that I cannot go to Jagannath Puri. Can you offer this coconut on my behalf to Lord Jagannath? He said, okay, I can do that. But he said one more thing. If Jagannath doesn't take, bring the coconut back. What did he tell? If Jagannath doesn't take the coconut, bring the coconut back. Have you ever thought like that? That if God doesn't take, give it back to me. The Brahmana was bewildered. He was thinking, how can I give the coconut and tell Jagannath if you don't take, give it back? Then he thought, okay, Dasipuri is telling, I will go and give the coconut. Prabhuji Maharaj, this incident, this real incident, happened 100 years ago. In 1890, something like that. And this coconut was taken by the Brahman. And he showed it in front of Jagannath, in Jagannath Puri. And he told Jagannath, Jai Jagannath! He told Jai Jagannath ji, this coconut is sent by Dasipuri. We want to accept it, but on condition. If you don't take, you don't have to bring it back. Then immediately Jagannath heard that and he understood the devotion of Dasipuri. You know what happened? From that very altar where Jagannath is there, both his hands, they came out of the altar, they came out of the temple, took the coconut and went inside. This is a real incident. Bolo Dasipuri ki. There are many pastimes like this. Now, why did I tell this pastime? If you are bringing something with love, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yome Bhakta Pranashati. If you bring anything with love, Jagannath will take it. Don't think that you know I am bringing, you will take or not. Okay, let me give it there. No. If you bring with love, we 100% take. ठीक है? तो सभी लोग लेकर आइए. सबसे पहले तो अपने बिल्डिंग से बाहर निकलिए, नीचे आइए और वो बिल्डिंग वाले अगले साल रथ यात्रा करिए, नहीं तो खाली करिए. यहाँ पे आओ और यहाँ पे रथ यात्रा करो. बोलो जय जगन्नाथ.
जय जगन्नाथ.
जय सुभद्रा. जगन्नाथ स्वामी
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भाव तुम्हें